down that way. That will trap set up.
Spring training, now extend your adventure in Arizona with world-class resorts, unbeatable dining and nightlife, amazing scenery, and endless outdoor adventure. Make your visit unforgettable. Find out how at myspringtraining.com. Baseball fans, are you thirsty? How about some fresh squeezed lemonade, just like Grandma made? Pick up an ice-cold, refreshing lemonade and some freshly popped kettle corn and pepper candy on the concourse from your favorite vendor, the Lemonade Factory. Fans don't forget to stop by our speed pitch contest in the center field courtyard. And you beat today's fastest pitch. Head down to see if you can beat the top speed for a chance to win today's prize. Your favorite Dodger players' walk-up music is brought to you all spring training long by Fire Resort. Being built less than 3 miles from Camelback Ranch, Fire Resort is your future playground of possibilities and life's best ever memories.